as we step into the future, I'm excited to introduce the Pro Hair Collective.
Welcome to this very important discussion on education and how it is important for the whole industry to actually grow.
Training is an investment, right? But it's also a cost. Now, you may look at it in a way where you say, do I want to train or do I want to build an academy infrastructure in a new city that I'm getting into? Or should I just be a sum total of talent that I poach from other brands? Right? So it's a choice that you have, and that also requires a cost, right? When you want to poach good talent from outside, you have to pay top dollar. So now you need to understand that is this a cost that I want to incur or this cost that I want to incur? And I think in the long run, actually farming, which I always call, farming is the best way to go rather than hunting.
So many times clients come to us, oh, he burnt my hair or he overprocessed my hair. But the more you educate, I think the thing that would come out is the hairstylist will think 10 times before completing a sales target versus doing the right thing.
What is really driving change and why we are seeing customers coming to us more often is expertise. And that is the only reason, and that is a manifestation of education.
Can we say it has to be a collaborative approach?
Absolutely.
By product partners, by academies, by salons and individual experts.
Absolutely.
When they get together, get to the right direction, then we'll see a comprehensive, collective throughput.